Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. I have officially said goodbye to painful hair brushing and hello to smooth hair grooming with this wet brush Flexdry. Whether my hair is wet or dry, this little beauty is my go-to styling tool. For reference, my hair texture is fine and very tangle prone, so I really wanted to find a brush that would minimize any more hair breakage. I chose this brush because it has really gentle bristles and an Omniflex brush head. As you can see, this brush head is super flexible and nicely contours to my head as I use it. The open vented design of this brush has provided another unexpected perk. It allows moisture to escape from my hair as I just brush it or blow dry it. Some other notable features of the brush are that it's super lightweight, so my wrist doesn't get tired while I'm using it, and the teal ombre color is both eye-catching and beautiful. This wet brush Flexdry really does it all. Whether my hair is wet or dry, it minimizes breakage, it painlessly detangles, and it helps speed up the drying process. And that's my point of view.